2018 all-new Mahindra Alfa Dx is one of the spacious three-wheeler passengers in India. The vehicle has got impressive power, maximum comfort and minimum maintenance. Sturdy and reliable, the new Mahindra Alfa Dx is designed to give you the smoothest ride even on the worst roads. It comes with the 436cc, 4-stroke, single-cylinder, diesel engine delivers a maximum power of 7.5 bhp at 3,600 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 18 Nm at 2,000 to 2,400 revolutions per minute. Paired with constant mesh 4 forward and 1 reverse gearbox. Front suspension is Antidive leading link with helical spring and hydraulic shock absorber, while the rear suspension is independent swinging arm and hydraulic shock absorber with rubber spring. Top speed of the vehicle is 53 km. Mileage of the vehicle is 32 km per litre. Fuel tank capacity of the vehicle is 10.5 litres. Wheelbase of the vehicle is 2005 mm, ground clearance is 175 mm and turning radius is 3,500 mm. Overall length of the vehicle is 2,990 mm, overall width of the vehicle is 1,480 mm and overall height of the vehicle is 1,905 mm. Gross vehicle weight is 800 kg and curb weight of the vehicle is 480 kg. Seating capacity is driver plus 3 passengers. Mahindra Alfa Dx is strongest in class body and superstructure and 4-bolt wheel mounting. Comfort features of the vehicle includes large canopy for maximum space, spacious cabin with more headroom, legroom and shoulder room, comfortable seats for the driver and the passengers. Less driving fatigue with the lowest level of vibration and mobile charger and bottle holder. Besides the exceptional standards of style, comfort, safety and performance, it also offers you a best-in-class warranty of 24 months.